Anything that's been whipped that has air incorporated can definitely deflate. So you want to be very gentle with your folding. You want to do things in additions, not all at once. Usually that first portion is going to be what I call a sacrifice. It's that first part to equalize the viscosities of the two products. So you've got your very aerated, light, luscious, foamy egg product or whipped cream or whatever it might be. And then you have whatever your base is, which is either going to be more liquidy or more thick. When you go into the second addition of your whipped item, you're going to be a little bit more dainty, and you're going to make sure you're not folding till it's completely homogeneous. You want to see streaks in there, especially if you're going to be folding multiple things into a base. You want to leave it streaky to ensure that it's not overmixed and that you're not deflating all your air out when you go to mix in or fold in that next aerated product. So it's all about just being gentle and aware, and then not fully folding everything together until that last whipped ingredient is completely in that bowl.